Hello guys, welcome to my channel and a new video. Today we have this 15 Pro for the screen replacement. It is badly damaged from the front and the back. The customer has dropped it from the height. At the moment customer just want to replace the front screen. So let's start it. So with the help of this Pentalobe screwdriver, we will open the bottom screws first. It's better to turn off the phone before working on it, but as we can't see any display, so it's not possible with it. So we have taken off both screws. Now we will heat up the front. So first of all, with the help of this heat gun, we will heat up the edges of the screen. The temperature should be 380 degrees centigrade and the airflow can be 7 or 8. So we will heat it up like this for 2 minutes. You have to continuously moving. Do not stop at one point. Just keep on moving like this. After that, we will use this isopropyl alcohol on the edges of the screen here like this. Now with the help of this blade and a plastic thingy, we will open the screen. So we will start from the bottom and insert the blade in here like this. We'll create some gap. Do not go much deep, just go till a centimeter or 2 deep inside, otherwise the cables can be damaged. So once the gap is created, we need to use this plastic thing inside the screen like this and try to open it. You got to be little careful here. Do not rush, just go slow. Once you have cut the glue, now we will open the screen. It opens on the left side like this, and we will give a support to the screen like this. Now with the help of this trio screwdriver, we will open all 7 screws. Please watch the full this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to create more videos, helpful videos like this. And if you have any question, please write it in the comment section and I will answer it as soon as possible. So we have opened all 7 screws. Now with the help of this tweezer, I lift this cover to go gently. Yeah, this cover is open. We will put it aside. Now we will disconnect the the battery connector from the board with the help of this plastic spluger. You can use your nail as well. Once it's disconnected, we will disconnect the LCD connector here, this one, and lastly we will disconnect this earpiece connector. So now it's been disconnected. We will lift the screen like that. So this is our old screen. We have to dismantle this ear speaker and the sensor from this old screen and have to transfer it to the new screen. So with the help of this T4 screwdriver, we will open these 2 screws. We'll put this small cover aside. Now we will take off this ear speaker and the sensor. For that we have to heat it up again. Now with the help of this heat gun, we will heat it up. First we will put the heat on this side here from the back like this.
Yeah, you can tell us.
So once you are done heating, we will use this tweezer and we'll try to lift up this here like this. Do not go too much deep and do not use any other sharp object. You can use this tweezer or that plastic spudger like this. We slowly lift up it like this. So once it's done, we will heat up this part from the back here and we'll do the process. Let me do it. So I'm just heating it up. We'll do it for 10 seconds. Now I'll use this isopropyl alcohol and we'll drop 1 or 2. And again we'll use this plastic spudger. So it's here. So this is the sensor. This is our new screen. Now we will put the sensor back into the new screen. We have to position it first into the window and then this thing here. Now we will put back its cover. Now it's time to install the screen. We will start from this LCD connector and then this sensor connector. First you have to position and then press it. So make sure it's in the correct position, otherwise it can damage the connectors on the motherboard. Now we will connect the battery at last. Now we will turn on the phone. So once the phone has turned on, we will check its touch. Yeah, all the buttons are working. We will check the charging as well, just for the safe side that everything is in order. If you have the password, you can check the cameras as well. It's charging fine now. Now we will put the covers back. So we'll open the screen like this carefully and put the cover back like this. You have to position the cover first and then with the help of this screwdrivers, we will put all the screws back. So once the screws are back, just make sure there is no glass on the corners of the screen on the frame here, because it can damage the new screen. So it's clear. Now we will close the screen gently. So first of all, we will put the upper part first. Now we will press the sides like this, and now the bottom. Okay. So as the screen is been fixed, now we will put back the bottom screws. So in the last step, we will put back the bottom screws by using Pentalobe screwdriver. I'll just quickly show you the screwdriver here. So this is the Pentalobe screwdriver. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please write it in a comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.